Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this Wealpe chest mount harness, adjustable Chesty strap compatible with GoPro Hero, all the different numbers, of course, everything which is compatible with this normal standard GoPro mounts. Here we have the box, and this is what we get. There's not much description, of course, in the box. This is what we get apart from the camera, of course, but I just wanted to show you how nicely this is attached. You can see it's very safe. You can either secure it very soft or very hard depending on your needs. It's a really solid mount. It's very easy to attach and remove. It comes with this nice screw and this holder here. So I removed the GoPro to show you how this works. So it's pretty easy to attach and remove. You can attach it from both sides, you can see. So I can push it out and push it in also from the other side. That works as well. So you have plenty of flexibility. So here we are with the thing. I would say this is also very solid, as the screw is very solid. And then of course also the mount. Here we have the plate. This will be in front of you. These are the shoulder straps, and this is coming back from the right side. Also very solid. You can see everything is nicely made, nicely built. All the stitches, all the seams, everything is really good made. And it's very flexible, as you can see. It is solid but still flexible at the same time. And this is how I've been wearing it, even with a medium size jacket. You can see I didn't even use the whole extension, and this is what I really like with this Wealpe chest mount. It is a full adult size. When we look online, we find so many chest mounts where they say they have adult size, and when you mount it you'll find out that it's just children size. This is crazy. I have already about 3 of them, and most of them are just too small, especially for larger people. Let's say if you have a little bit larger belly, or you are very tall or so, then there's a big problem with most of these chest mounts. But that's not the case here. This one is much better. You can see I am 5 feet 9 inches tall. I would say about average 177 centimeters. You can see there is plenty of space here left, and even around my belly there would have been much more. I just extended it here. Here I have adjusted it to the size which I'm usually using without a thick jacket or so. I mean, I'm not very slim, and you can see there's so much space here left also on the side, and especially on the top. And again, I've been wearing this already with my jacket and it worked really well. Also, I can really compare this with my old one here. I think the best way to compare this is to compare it here on the back between the Wealpe and my old one, which is also sold as an adult size. And you can see that's from the middle of the back to the front mount. And that's same thing here, fully extended with this other brand. So you can see the difference here. I'm aligning this here, and you can see the difference. That's a huge difference from here to here. And that's just one side. You have same thing on the other side. So you can imagine how much larger this is. And one of the good things here as well is how we can adjust the length. It's so easy. You can see there was almost no power needed to adjust, but when we secure it and pull, you can see it stays safe in place. So it's really nice to see that I finally found something which really works for me. Also during winter when I go skiing, snowboarding, this is definitely my choice here at the moment, Wealpe. And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.